iPhone bookmarks on home screen. So if you want to add iPhone bookmarks on home screen, it is actually quite very simple to do so. Basically, all you have to do is you want to go ahead and first of all, let's say I want to add a bookmark of a Safari browser of a web page to my home screen. So this thing right over here, this is not an app. This is a bookmark shortcut that I have added on my home screen. Whenever I open that, it will open up the web version of that particular application, as you can see. So to add such kind of stuff to your home screen, because this is not an app, because if I long press on it, you can see it says delete bookmark, right? It's not an app, it's a bookmark. So I will open up Safari, go to the page which you want to add to your home screen as a bookmark. Then all you have to do is tap on the share icon right at the bottom center, and once you've done that, you'll scroll down. You can see the option called Add Bookmark, but that's not actually what we want to do. What we want to do is we want to go to the option called Add to Home Screen instead, and when you tap on it, you can give it a name and tap the add button, and as soon as you've done that, you would have added that bookmark to your home screen. This way you'll be able to add bookmark to iPhone home screen. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.